The story of why mosquitoes bite humans. A long time ago, mosquitoes and humans lived in peace. They never bit, stung, or drank blood. In fact, they were friends, sharing everything and living in harmony. In a quiet valley, there lived a man named Ido. He had an unusual companion, a female mosquito named Jenkwan. She wasn't just any mosquito, she was wise, loyal, and always gave Ido the best advice. Her words always seemed to bring him luck, and Ido cherished her company. But Jenkwan had a secret. She was deeply in love with Ido. Every little thing she did for him was out of love. Yet, she never told him how she felt. One day, everything changed. While gathering firewood, Ido saw a beautiful young woman who had come to the valley. The moment he laid eyes on her, his heart raced. He had never seen anyone so beautiful. Determined to win her heart, he followed her home, eager to speak with her. But Ido did not go alone. As always, he carried Jenkwan with him, allowing her to sit on his travel bag. She happily followed, unaware that this journey would change her fate forever. As they walked, something strange happened. Jenkwan became restless. Every few minutes, she hummed his name. Ido oo, mititi. I need water, she would say. At first, Ido didn't mind, but soon, her constant requests started to irritate him. What puzzled him most was how little she drank, barely a drop, yet she kept asking for more. By the time they reached the young woman's home, Ido was exhausted. He left Jenkwan outside and went in to ask for the girl's hand in marriage. To his joy, the girl's parents agreed. But there was one condition: he had to stay with them for 3 days and sleep in the same room as his future wife for a sacred marriage ritual. Ido quickly accepted. Outside, Jenkwan continued calling out to him. Ido oo, mititi. The people in the house heard the sound and asked, "Who is calling you?" Ido panicked. He didn't want them to know he had a mosquito for a friend. So he lied. "There is no one," he said. Jenkwan heard this. Her heart shattered. Had she become nothing to him? After all she had done? Still, she remained silent. That night, Ido sneaked Jenkwan into the house and hid her inside a wardrobe. But her thirst only grew worse. She hummed his name again and again, begging for water. Fearing that she would get them caught, Ido whispered to her, "If you need water, don't make noise. Instead, perch on me and give me a little bite. That way, I will know you are thirsty." Jenkwan hesitated, but obeyed. She landed on his skin and gently beat him. Then, something incredible happened. The moment she tasted his blood, her thirst disappeared. The warm, rich liquid was unlike anything she had ever known. It was better than water. What Ido did not know was that Jenkwan had been keeping a secret. She was pregnant with eggs. And it was this pregnancy that made her so thirsty. For 3 days, she fed on Ido without him noticing. And in that dark wardrobe, she laid her eggs. On the final day, feeling betrayed and heartbroken, Jenkwan flew away. She was no longer the mosquito who once loved Ido. She had changed forever. When her eggs hatched, the baby mosquitoes were born with the same thirst their mother had felt. But they did not crave water. They craved blood. And that is why, to this very day, mosquitoes bite and suck human blood, because a long time ago, one mosquito loved a man who did not love her back. What are the lessons for this story? We should mind how we deal with people because our attitude can bring out the beast in them that can harm us for a lifetime. We learn not to bug on anyone for love. If you are not welcome, know when to walk away.